So for croissant dough, I taking a bread improver, salt, yeast and sugar. And 50 gram salt. Then improver also, I would 15 gram. 65, 15 gram I add. I add also 50 gram yeast. And 200 gram sugar. I add 100 gram butter. 2 kilo 500 flour. Dough mixer inside. I add. Now I need to add the 1 liter of water. Then I add a 200 ml of milk. And I need to start the mixing. Slow. Add a little bit more water. I get 1200 water. Dough should be hard. After combine, need to take out. See, dough are almost ready. Need to nicely combine. Already croissant done. I need to keep for freezer for 1 day rest. After 1 day, 1 kilo butter I use a 3 kilo of dough. 3 kilo of dough, 3 kilo 200 I can use this dough for 1 kilo butter. After again nicely need to keep the freezer 1 day rest. So it's like this. Before I keep the chiller for reduce the hardness. Then I need to give the butter now. Need to press nicely. I make first like this, then after I need to sieve the butter. I keep the butter in the middle and fold to corner like this. 1, like this 1, 2, like this 1, 3, like this 4. Then I press nicely. Cover. I take first like this, then need to fold nicely. 1, stretch. Don't need to too much flour inside. And after I can fold 1 more. Little bit adjust. See. Then I can seal 1 more time. Same thickness. Then I need to fold 1 more. 1 and 2. I already done 2 fold. This one need to keep chiller at least 15 minutes. Each fold I need to keep the for 15 minutes. Need to keep. First fold also I need to keep the 15 minutes. Second fold I need to keep the chiller in 15 minutes. This is the last fold. You can fold. Same 3 single fold. Then I need to keep for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I can roll again. I need to again sit. Then after cutting final into layer. Final already done. Just I need to cut 1 by 2. I can show you the visible layers. First I make a dough. I make 2 kilo 500 gram flour. Total dough weight coming up 3 kilo. I use a 1 kilo butter slab. First I make 3 fold. One fold I make first one fold and keep the chiller 15 minutes. Then again one more fold and keep the chiller 15 minutes. Then this one last fold I make again I keep 15 minutes chiller. Then after cut I need to keep the dough at least 1 day rest. After 1 day I can roll and need to make shape for croissants. हो गया. I'll be arranging the croissant. I don't have the prover. Prover here don't have. If prover have, I need to give for proof. Here don't have prover. If prover have, need to 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. See my oven temperature almost coming. And look, my croissant also already proved. Prevent the drying, I need to spray little bit water. I'm juggling the juggling the croissant. That means croissant already proved. That means showing the croissant already proved. Ready to bake. This is eggless. That's why I'm not using the egg wash. I'm using the only water spray. So the its lining are visible, and after putting the croissant oven inside, here the steam. Then I at that time is the 14 minutes. Croissant will be left at 3 minutes. This croissant coming very nice. I already baked the croissant coming nicely crispy. See, layer also coming nicely. After I cut, okay, this croissant coming nicely honeycomb. Proper layer coming crispy.